Alright, this video is to show everybody how to tighten a air conditioning belt on a 2005 Isuzu NPR truck. Okay, so on the driver's side, you will have the tensioner pulley right here. So this is, you guys may hear your air compressor kick on. It'll be a high, screeching, squeal sound. And what that means is this belt is loose, and this squeaking sound that you hear is the belt rubbing against the metal on the pulley. Much like if you take your tennis shoes when you're in school and scuff them on the gym floor, you'll hear that high squeaking sound, but that's what that is. It's the rubber rubbing against the metal. And it's very simple to tighten the pulley. You just loosen this nut here on the front, and then what that's going to do is it's going to allow the pulley to move back and forth. There's a little groove down here. See if you can see. It's a little groove that the pulley moves back and forth in right there. You can barely see it behind there, but that pulley will move on that track. So after you loosen that nut there, then there is a bolt right here on the end, and you take a socket set, and I'm not sure what size that is either, but it's been a couple weeks since I've done mine. But you will take this nut and just start to turn it, and you will see the pulley start to slide in this slot right here. Leave your belt on, and as you turn this nut, you will see the pulley gradually come away from the engine block. You know, be sure you're turning it the right way, and I'm not sure which way to turn it, but you'll see that it's moving away from the engine block towards the wheel, and you just turn it until the belt is tight. And then once you turn this adjustment screw right here, you retighten this bolt, and that should lock your pulley into place, and that will take care of that loud squeaking sound. You can pick up these belts at AutoZone for about $14, and it took me about 10 minutes to put this one on.